Have you ever stopped to wonder about the incredible power of the human brain? This tiny organ, weighing just over a kilogram, is the command center of our entire existence. It processes more information in a second than all the world's data networks combined. From controlling your heartbeat to sparking creative ideas, the brain is the most complex and extraordinary machine ever known. The end of this video will change your life for the best. We're diving deep into the mysteries of the human brain. Get ready to uncover the science, the secrets, and the sheer brilliance of the organ that defines who we are. The human brain is a universe unto itself, billions of cells working tirelessly, connected in an incredible network that defy imagination. Today, we explore the incredible potential of this biological machine and how it influences every aspect of our lives, from thought to creativity, from memory to emotion. Did you know that a single person's brain processes more data in an instant than all the communications on Earth combined? And did you know that your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb, even while you're resting? It's a 10-watt powerhouse of creativity, memory, and innovation. With over 86 billion neurons, the human brain is capable of making connections at a speed that dwarfs even the most advanced supercomputer. Each neuron communicates with every other neuron through a nearly infinite network of synapses, creating a constant flow of electrical and chemical activity that fuels every thought, emotion, and action. Each single neuron can handle a number of connections equal to 10 to the power of 28. Adding up the connections of all the neurons, the result is a number so large that it is equivalent to writing zeros for a length of 9 million kilometers. This incredible network allows the brain of a single human being to process in an instant an amount of data 100 times greater than all communications on a global scale. Imagine a telephone switchboard capable of processing billions of calls simultaneously. The brain is all this and much more. While a computer can only process the data we feed it, the brain generates insights, creates emotions, and shapes the way we see the world. Our brain contains 15 billion nerve cells, neurons. They are so small that you can put 250 of them on the head of a pin. Each neuron has a central body and a long cable called an axon that can be up to 1.5 meters long. From these axes, thousands of branches branch out, creating a seemingly infinite network of connections. But the brain is not a single block. The two hemispheres, left and right, have specific tasks. The left is the realm of logic, numbers, language, and analysis. The right, on the other hand, is the artist, creativity, intuition, and emotions. A balanced brain is the key to the full development of our potential. The brain is constantly receiving signals from every part of the body, from the lungs, the heart, the liver, all the way down to the skin. For example, when it is cold, it regulates blood flow by narrowing the vessels, and when it's hot, it expands them to cool the body. Every movement, every breath is monitored in real time by this perfect machine. Did you know that a particular point at the base of your spine becomes activated by the flow of air or fluids? This process sends an amount of oxygen to your brain that you have never experienced before, giving a feeling of vitality never felt before, and as if our brain were turning on, rediscovering itself. The brain is not just a biological organ. It is a window to infinity. Through it, we can create art, develop science, love, and imagine. It is an incredible tool that we have only just begun to discover. Did you know that the brain can control bodily functions that we consider automatic? Techniques such as biofeedback demonstrate that. With concentration, we can lower our heart rate or even regulate our blood pressure, a potential that we are only now beginning to understand. The human brain has an incredible memory capacity. It can store 4 billion notebooks of information, but then why do we forget? It is not because we lose the data, but because we are too distracted to recover it. When we are calm and focused, information comes back easily. But stress and anxiety create interference, like a clogged phone line. Science has proven that we can influence our body through our mind. With concentration, we can regulate blood pressure, reduce heart rate, or even relieve pain. Ancient techniques such as meditation and yoga are scientifically proving that they can increase the control we have over our bodies. Frequencies play a key role in connecting the left and right hemispheres of the brain. Experiments such as the CIA's gateway tapes show us how certain sound waves can synchronize the brain, bringing us into a state of maximum creativity and relaxation. For example, the gamma frequency at 40 Hz helps us reach a peak state, uniting imagination and logic. But we are always at the mercy of the vibrations around us, such as the 440 Hz, which, according to some theories, can disharmonize our body. Christ consciousness represents the highest vibration, living with love, without judgment and always in a state of harmony. Meditation, prayer, and spiritual practices help maintain this frequency, connecting us to a higher level of awareness. Sacred texts, such as the Quran and the Bible, also contain references to numbers and frequencies that can unlock this higher energy. It is an invitation to live in balance, in a synergy between body, mind, and spirit. This stimulation opens the doors of our mind and body to a cosmic connection, a direct link with higher intelligence. But how can we activate this potential? The human brain is a mystery, an infinite potential just waiting to be unveiled. Remember, your energy is key. Tune into the right frequencies to live to your full potential. Success comes only if you have strong and positive emotions. Change your emotions right now and face the day with joy. Don't let resentment, sadness, or anger amplify your vitality. Thoughts carry energy, they have frequencies, and an effect on your body. If in your mind you always have the same redundant thoughts, let's say 7,000 thoughts identical to those of the previous day, the effects on your body will always continue to be the same, and you will continue to emit the same energy and information into your field, and you will continue to have the same life. So the same thoughts always lead to the same choices, and the same choices lead to the same behaviors, and the same behaviors lead to the same experiences, and the same experiences produce the same sensations, and the same emotions bring about the same thoughts. And so the biochemical nervous system, the hormones, the neurostimulators that determine how you act, how you think, and how you feel. And the way you act, think, and feel determines your personality. Your personality creates your personal reality. Living in harmony does not mean being perfect, but finding a constant balance, flowing like water and embracing our most authentic nature. If you enjoyed this journey into the secret space inside the most fascinating organ of our body, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share with those who, like you, are fascinated by the power of the mind.